In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your passcode on your new iPhone 16. Or it's really easy to do. So all you need to do is, as you can see, if we try to log in right here, it actually won't change our password just like so. So if you actually just want to change in your password, all you do is you first actually need to log in before you can change it. I just logged in with my face right there. And if you scroll down here, you can find the option in settings that is called Face ID and Passcode. Now, when we click on that, it will take a second, but you actually do need to type in your passcode to actually change it. So I'm going to type it in off camera like so, just like this. And once you actually type in your passcode like so, it will actually log you in to the Face ID and Password option, where from here you can entirely disable your passcode using your face just here, disabled or enabled. And if you want to change your passcode, you can actually just scroll down here, click on the Change Passcode option, click on it, and you can actually enter in your current passcode. You have to do this, otherwise you cannot change your passcode. Enter in your current passcode, I'm doing this off camera, and then you enter in your new passcode like here, whatever it wants to be. You can just enter this like so, and once you enter this passcode in, it will actually just change your iPhone passcode like so. And yeah, that's how you change your iPhone passcode.